Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well, and for those who's new here, hi, it's Marisol here. It's another cooking vlog. So today we are gonna be making our all-time favorite banana bread, but I am not going to bake the classic and traditional banana bread that we used to have. This is going to be a gluten-free banana bread, which is very beneficial to people who have somewhat concern like thyroid, or if you have migraine. So I'll be using an almond flour instead of baking flour or all-purpose flour. And I decided to also make a cream cheese roasting. This is also good for banana bread. I just had them twice, and cream cheese roasting is not only good for carrot cake or cupcake. So it's been proven and tested, and it's really good. It is very soft and moist banana bread. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We do have here a baking flour and almond flour as well. They are both gluten-free. We do need baking powder. We have here baking soda. We need vanilla extract, olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. And we do need a 2 to 3 bananas. That should be fine. This is a ripe banana. And we also need honey. You can also substitute this with maple syrup, any syrup that you have available at home. And we do also need 4 eggs. Why do 4 eggs? This recipe is a gluten-free, so a regular flour is stronger than almond flour or baking flour with gluten-free. So that means if it is with gluten, it is a protein and it provides more structure. So almond flour is lighter than a regular flour, and using 4 eggs, it helps build more with framework, and it rise more with our banana bread. So what else I'm forgetting? Also, we need also 1/2 teaspoon of a salt. And if you also have a cinnamon, that should be fine, but I don't have it available right now. So what else I'm forgetting? All right, that's all for now, and let's start baking. Now we are going to add on the almond flour. This is 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, and then 1 1/4 cup of baking flour, which all gluten-free. So we are going to coat our baking pan with an oil, or you can do that with butter as well. You do not want to skip this technique, so your banana bread won't stick on your baking dish. And after this, we are going to also coat this with the baking flour. So you have to coat this generously, like in the bottom and the side as well. So you think it's a lot, but trust me, this will help. Alright, that should be good like that. And so I have the oven preheated already for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to bake this for about 55 minutes to 65 minutes. So alright guys, we can now make our frosting. So here is our cream cheese. It's softened cream cheese, room temperature, and also the unsalted butter. It's 2 tablespoons. Alright guys, this should be good. It smells so good.